You know, while your mother's cooking the macaroni today, I figured I'd sit down and talk to you since you're old enough. You know, it's time that you really realize what this family's all about. Because about this time, you're going to be able to join in and gain some real money and real cash. But before you do that, I want to teach you a little bit about loyalty. The main name of this game is respect and loyalty. Family is a big thing. When we do this kind of business, everything is with respect. And when a family member gets out of line, and another family don't like it, one thing leads you to another, and the next thing you know, you're gone. And you're just a member of your heart's president. But you gotta remember, there's always family and loyalty. Loyalty is the main thing. Obviously, I know where to make my money, and make all my cash, all these construction jobs we do, and sanitation and private stuff, is all from earning money through the family. Since you're of age now, I think it's time that I taught you
this show right here.
family and respect is all about. So the first thing you gotta learn is the
This
name
show
respect.
right
That
here
means you don't cross
is about
nobody, you don't go
respect.
over the line.
Respect
Once you
is
go
the
over that
biggest
line,
thing
there's no coming
ever.
back. Whether you're a member
Don't.
of
Number
family,
one, do not. I don't give a fuck what the situation is. Unless it's an emergency, do not go in somebody's house without permission. Please, knock, call, text. I'm sure the person will get up and answer the door. It's just a matter of respect. Fucking respect. Come on. Like, it's like, come on. Like, didn't your mom teach you something when you were little or something? Like, don't just walk in somebody. I mean, come on, YouTube. I'm sure you could agree with me. Just don't walk in somebody's house. That's like the most bottomless, dirtiest thing that you could do in life history. Well, that's pretty much it. Just remember, don't walk in somebody's house. It doesn't matter if you left the key out or not. Just don't walk in somebody's house without texting or calling or even knocking on the damn door unless it's a fucking emergency.